Cancer, this reading is for you if you've been feeling emotional weight that doesn't fully make sense anymore. You are caring, intuitive, and deeply loyal, but lately you may feel tired in a quiet way. Not dramatic exhaustion, just a sense that your heart has been holding too much for too long. This reading shows how your energy is shifting and why this phase is ending differently than before. The first card coming forward is Emotional Overload. This card shows how much you've been absorbing from your surroundings. Other people's moods, expectations, worries, and unspoken needs have been sitting in your energy. You didn't do this on purpose. It happened because you care deeply and feel things before others even speak. Over time, this emotional absorption made you feel heavy. You may have noticed mood swings, sudden tiredness, or feeling overwhelmed for no clear reason. This card confirms that it was not weakness. It was sensitivity without enough protection. This card asks you to notice what emotions are truly yours and what you've been carrying for others. Not everything you feel belongs to you. That awareness alone starts lifting the weight. As you begin separating your emotions from others, your energy starts returning to you. You feel lighter, clearer, and more emotionally stable without needing to change your nature. The next card is Stop Overgiving. This card comes up strongly for Cancer energy. You give without being asked. You stay longer than needed. You offer support even when you are running low yourself. This card shows that overgiving was once your way of feeling secure and connected, but now it is draining you. You are giving from obligation instead of desire, and your heart feels tired because of it. Spirit asks you to pause before giving, to ask yourself if you truly want to give or if you feel responsible to do so. That pause protects your emotional well-being. When you give less but more intentionally, your relationships rebalance. You feel appreciated again, and those who only took without giving back naturally fall away. The next card is Protect Your Heart. This is about boundaries, but emotional ones. You've been open for a long time, hoping people would treat your heart gently. Some did, some didn't. This card shows you learning when to close the door slightly instead of leaving it wide open. You don't need to explain your feelings to everyone anymore. Not everyone deserves access to your inner world. Protecting your heart does not make you cold. It makes you wise. You can still be loving without being vulnerable to harm. As you practice emotional protection, you feel safer within yourself. Your intuition sharpens. You trust who feels right and who doesn't, without guilt. The next card is Emotional Renewal. This card signals the end of an emotionally heavy cycle. You are not carrying the same pain forward. You processed it, you felt it fully, and now it is releasing. This renewal feels gentle, not sudden joy, but steady calm. You may notice fewer emotional triggers and more inner peace. That is healing taking root. This card also shows healthier emotional connections entering your life. People who meet you with the same care you offer. Relationships feel less draining and more nourishing. This phase ends with emotional balance. You are still sensitive, still loving, but no longer exhausted by it. The fifth card coming up is Emotional Independence. This card shows that you are slowly learning how to stand emotionally on your own, even while staying loving. Earlier, your mood depended a lot on how others treated you. If someone was distant, you felt it deeply. If someone was upset, it affected your whole day. Now something is changing inside you. You are starting to feel stable even when others are unsure. You don't lose yourself the moment someone pulls back or acts differently. That is a big shift for you. This card is not about becoming detached. It is about knowing that your emotional safety does not depend on someone else's behavior. You can care without collapsing. In daily life, this looks like fewer emotional ups and downs. You recover faster. You don't spiral as much. You return to yourself quicker than before. The sixth card is Healing Old Attachments. This card shows that some emotional patterns you've been repeating come from the past, not the present. Old bonds, old disappointments, or old promises still live in your heart space. You may notice memories coming up lately, or feelings that seem bigger than the current situation. This card confirms that you are clearing emotional ties that stayed longer than they needed to. Healing does not mean forgetting. It means the memory no longer controls your reactions. The emotional charge softens. As this healing completes, you stop reacting from old wounds. You respond from who you are now, not who you were when the pain began. The seventh card is receiving support. This card is important because you are used to being the giver. You are the listener, the helper, the one who stays strong for others. Receiving has felt uncomfortable for you. Spirit shows that support is available now, but only if you allow it. You don't have to do everything alone anymore. You don't have to carry every emotion by yourself. This support may come quietly, through one person, through rest, through someone finally understanding you without explanation. When you allow support, your energy replenishes. You feel held instead of drained. That balance restores your emotional strength. The final card is emotional closure. This card confirms that a long emotional chapter is closing, not with anger, not with regret, but with understanding. You are no longer asking why something happened. You are no longer waiting for emotional validation. You already know what this experience taught you. This closure feels peaceful. You don't need final conversations or dramatic endings. You simply move forward lighter. With this closure, new emotional space opens. Healthier bonds, clearer feelings, a calmer heart. This is how the cycle ends. Affirmation for you: I am emotionally safe within myself. I release the past with love. I allow support without guilt. I move forward lighter and calmer. If you want a personal deep reading where I look at your emotional journey, relationships, and what's opening next for you, personal sessions start at $9. Your heart has done the work. Now it gets to rest.